Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. This is based on more than 8 years of experience freelancing online and running a small video production business in Nairobi, Kenya. If you are here for the first time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record screen video on your Android 10 phone or later. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. To get started, pull down the top menu by tapping on the phone top screen and pulling it down. Scroll through the menu items to check if you can see an icon named screen recording. If it's not there, tap on the edit square icon with a pen-like tool here on top. Locate the screen recording menu icon, then drag it and drop it to the top menu. When done, tap on the back arrow on top. From here, you can start recording your phone screen. Tap on screen recording button to begin recording your phone screen. This screen recording menu box will pop up on your screen. Tap on the red record button to begin recording. Recording will start immediately. When done recording, double tap on the red button to stop recording. Your recording will be saved on the files folder on your phone. You can make changes on your screen recording settings. Before starting to record your screen, tap on the gear icon on the screen recording menu box here. Here, you can choose which sound to record, whether system sound or microphone sound or both. Tap on more settings to view other additional settings. This screen will open where you can change the display settings like video resolution, activating front camera while recording screens, and display of screen touches. And that is it about recording screen videos on your phone. Remember, if you want to edit the screen recordings, you'll need to transfer it to your computer and edit them using the video editor of your choice like Camtasia Studio or Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog at cheptioni.com to learn more. And until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on Twitter at Cheptioni. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.